buy a mobile home first, make payments on it, and then be approved for real estate. Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. So a lot of the people that I'm seeing this year, especially trying to buy a mobile home, is people with not the best of credit or not enough down payment. When you're thinking about real estate, a stick-built house, even let's say a $200,000 house, you may be required by the typical traditional lending to have 25% or more, which again, if you're talking about a 200K house, that's 30,000 that you have to come up with. Some people may have it, but even so, a lot of times when you have that, if the credit is not in best standing, meaning you have the best credit score, that can also mean you don't get approved. So you have a lot of things that you have to overcome in order to be approved for real estate. But when you're thinking about something like that, one thing that you could do is, if you're trying to buy a house, is go ahead and invest in a mobile home. We have programs, for instance, we do rent to owns, we finance, and one of the things that we work with is low, poor, or no credit. Now, after, X amount of months, because we do report to the 3 credit bureaus, which means that a few months later, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, however much you need, you will show better credit. Okay. Also, you will show the responsibility of making actual mortgage payments in a sense. So that being said, depends on what your criteria may be needed, but we don't request 30,000. Some of our mobile homes are only as little as 18,000 all in, which means you may need 3,000-4,000 to be financed for that. So what I'm saying, and I'll say this repeatedly, is we're not building real estate investors when I teach them, when I coach them. We are coaching people to get back, because that's what we're doing when we provide affordability housing. Now, that being said, again, if you're trying to be a first-time home owner, or maybe had a home before and trying to, again, if you're not being approved by the traditional lending, banks, credit unions, whatever it may be, reach out to us. We can help you. We can see what inventory we have, and if we don't, maybe one of our investors, our students, can have as well. But keep that in mind. Investing and buying a mobile home first may mean you being approved for real estate later on. Thank you for watching.